We have moved the world with a passion for future growth through world-class products and technology innovation. To realize another value that will enrich the world behind the scenes, SeAH Besteel is here to take on a new challenge. The world's best forge master, SeAH Besteel. Thirst for challenge is the force that makes tomorrow more valuable. A global leading special steel producer, SeAH Besteel, is advancing in the large-sized forging market by utilizing its know-how accumulated from manufacturing special steel. SeAH Besteel's forging business is capable of satisfying various customer needs. Various sizes of ingots, up to 600 ton, are produced through the ultra-clean steel casting process from our 150-ton electric arc furnace, VD, and vacuum ingot casting. Our 2,000-ton, 4,000-ton, and Korea's largest 13,000-ton presses can produce various forged products, including ones with the largest diameter in Korea. SeAH Besteel's forging business, armed with one-stop service system, in which from casting, forging, heat treatment to process, inspection, and shipment, every step is handled in our facility, boasts the world-class competitiveness with the shortest lead time and high quality. From forged products with the largest diameter in Korea used in power plants and chemical plants, nuclear power-related components, marine engine parts, steel processing equipments, to large-size tool steel and mold steel, SeAH Besteel's forged products guarantee best customer satisfaction with high quality and cost leadership. The innovation of technology approaching perfection is the force that creates better quality. SeAH Besteel has driven technological innovations to become the high-tech forge master in the extra-large forged products market. SeAH Besteel's state-of-the-art R&D center operates a total analysis system covering the analysis of raw materials and the assessment of product reliability, and it is leading new innovations in the material technology field. Having earned customer trust by acquiring global certification with confidence in our quality, SeAH Besteel is becoming a global leader in the large-sized forging market. SeAH Besteel is here to create special values for our customers. Near your everyday life, by taking on bigger challenges, using better technology for a better tomorrow, we will create special values. A new challenge toward a beautiful world. The world's best forge master, SeAH Besteel.